Are you tired of unevenly toasted bread or struggling to find the right appliance for quick meals? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best toaster ovens on the market today. From versatile cooking functions to energy-efficient designs, toaster ovens have revolutionized the way we prepare food, making them essential for every kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional, a home chef, or simply looking for a reliable way to toast and bake, we've got you covered with our top picks. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Ninja ST101 Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster. The Ninja ST101 Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster is a versatile kitchen companion designed to meet your toasting needs without cluttering your countertop. You may have experienced the frustration of a traditional toaster, which excels at toasting but has limitations when it comes to cooking other foods like pizza or leftover fries. The Foodi Flip offers a clever solution to this problem. This innovative appliance serves dual functions. When positioned vertically, it operates just like your standard toaster, providing perfect golden slices of bread. But when you turn it sideways and lock it in place, the flip reveals its inner toaster oven. It includes a small drawer akin to a pizza peel, enabling you to cook a slice of pizza, a tuna melt, or even some crunchy chicken tenders. This compact design ensures you make the most of limited counter space. Keep in mind the Foodi Flip tends to run a bit hot, so start with a lower setting for your toasting preferences. It's also essential to be cautious when using it, as cleaning can be tricky if any food escapes the cooking tray. With the Ninja ST101 Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster, you won't have to limit your culinary creativity to just bread. You can enjoy a variety of quick meals while keeping your kitchen neat and tidy. Embrace this handy kitchen innovation and elevate your cooking experience today. At number 4, COSORI 11-in-1 Ceramic Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The COSORI 11-in-1 Ceramic Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a true game changer for your kitchen. If you've ever struggled with the tedious task of cleaning messy toaster ovens, you'll appreciate the innovative design of this appliance. With its smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces, you can say goodbye to those frustrating moments spent scrubbing stubborn crevices and avoiding heating elements. Cleaning becomes as effortless as wiping down a microwave. However, it's important to note a few trade-offs. While this air fryer toaster oven excels in convenience, it tends to run a bit hotter than average. This means you may notice that food cooks more evenly in the center than at the edges, thanks to its centralized fan and squared design. To achieve optimal browning or toasting, you might find yourself needing to rotate your dishes during cooking. Yet for many home cooks, the benefits of an easy-to-clean surface far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Imagine spending less time scrubbing your appliances and more time enjoying delicious, evenly cooked meals with your loved ones. The COSORI 11-in-1 offers versatility, allowing you to bake, air fry, toast, and much more, all while simplifying your kitchen routine. Whether you're a busy parent or a culinary enthusiast, this toaster oven can adapt to your needs, making it a valuable addition to your home. Transform your cooking experience with the COSORI 11-in-1 Ceramic Air Fryer Toaster Oven, where convenience meets functionality. Number 3, we have the BALMUDA. The steam oven toaster. If you're ready to elevate your morning routine, BALMUDA. The toaster is the perfect addition to your kitchen. This innovative steam oven toaster combines jets of steam with carefully calibrated top and bottom heating elements, working in unison to ensure every slice of toast is perfectly cooked. You'll appreciate the moment you hear the delightful ta-da sound, indicating that your toast is ready. As you take it out, you'll discover beautifully browned bread, crisp on the outside, yet delightfully moist and pillowy on the inside. This isn't just toast, it's an extraordinary texture and flavor journey that transforms your breakfast or snack. Whether you're enjoying freshly baked bread, artisanal bagels, or reheating leftovers, BALMUDA. The toaster ensures an exceptional cooking experience. Its sleek design not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen, but also simplifies your culinary tasks. By investing in this remarkable appliance, you're not just making a meal, you're making memories. BALMUDA invites you to savor every bite, giving you the opportunity to appreciate the artistry of great toasting. With BALMUDA. The toaster, you'll enjoy the best bread experience you've ever had, turning ordinary moments into something truly special. Embrace the joy of perfectly prepared meals and indulge in a new standard of toasting. At number 2, Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven. If you're on the lookout for a versatile kitchen appliance that delivers on crispiness and flavor, the Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven should be at the top of your list. This compact oven excels at achieving that perfect crunch you crave, whether you're toasting bread, roasting vegetables, or grilling meats. Its innovative design features a ridged plate that imparts a delightful char, reminiscent of a Foreman grill, ensuring your dishes are both tasty and visually appealing. The air fryer function is particularly impressive, allowing you to create the crispiest wings and golden fries without the excess oil typically found in traditional frying methods, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. While this oven has a classic design with analog dials for temperature and time control, you might initially find it less intuitive than digital models. However, you'll quickly appreciate the reliability of these controls as you experiment with your cooking. Users have reported that it maintains accurate temperatures, and many have praised its ability to toast bread evenly across every slice, something you may find lacking in other toasters on the market. Embrace the joy of cooking with the Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven, where you not only prepare food, but also craft delicious memories. From morning breakfast to late-night snacks, this oven can elevate your culinary adventures, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen repertoire. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Breville BOV950 BSS Joule Smart Oven. The Breville BOV950 BSS Joule Smart Oven is a device that transcends the traditional toaster oven experience. Think of it not just as a kitchen appliance, but as a powerful culinary partner that may outperform your conventional oven. Imagine enjoying perfectly toasted bread, whether it's a single slice or a full batch, thanks to its rapid preheating and even cooking capabilities. Picture yourself reheating yesterday's pizza to glorious crispness or broiling a cheese-laden bagel to perfection. What truly sets the Joule apart is its advanced autopilot function. By connecting to the Breville Plus app, you gain access to a suite of unparalleled cooking features. Just like innovative technology in aviation, this autopilot mode streamlines your cooking process, taking the stress out of meal preparation. For instance, you can confidently roast a whole 5-pound chicken. The Joule cycles through 13 settings, including air fry, convection broil, and low-temp roasting, to deliver that coveted crispy skin while ensuring the meat stays juicy and tender. With results that consistently exceed expectations, the Joule makes every meal a delightful experience. Whether you're an aspiring chef or a busy parent, the Breville Joule Smart Oven equips you with the tools needed to enhance your culinary creations effortlessly. Embrace the future of cooking and discover the joys of a versatile kitchen companion that redefines what a toaster oven can do for you. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which toaster oven you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.